Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I bring you celebrity gossip. Guys, today we are talking about Ugogo Skhotheni. In case you missed it, Sana, this is where you are going to get it. So Ugogo Skhotheni has been trending lately for the live that she did. I'm not sure if it was on TikTok or Facebook, but she was live talking about her ex-husband, saying all sorts of things, guys. And I'm just like, why are you even talking about this person? Because this guy has just been living his life, he is not even minding you. You have moved on, you have a child now. So why are you even talking about this guy? Like, what is it now? Sekumele sithini manje ngoba besesishilo ukuthi sorry. Anyway, Coco Skhotheni was talking about her ex-husband, saying all sort of things, alleging that their husband, Sana, is gay. She was alleging that the husband is gay on this live, saying that, yeah, now this guy was abusive, this guy was um financially and also physically abusive, like he would beat her up. She also mentioned ukuthi this guy also beat her up when she was pregnant. He was a serial cheater, Sana, cheating with men, cheating with women, bringing women into her place. Women would be wearing her clothes. Like, she said a lot of things, and I'm surprised, Wuti, why is she telling us these things now? Because these things don't even matter at this moment. She has moved on, she has a child. Ugai Nayenje is just minding his own business. So she was saying a lot of things here, and there was a friend in the background just trying to reprimand her. Wuti, girl, stop. Like, stop it. Stop what you are doing. And by looking at her, nje, I'm not sure if maybe they were having drinks nyana or something, but it looks like they were having drinks because the way they were talking, man, they were just so loud, making noise and stuff. So it could happen that they were having drinks, and that's why. Anyway, she said a lot of things. Which the guy is broke. The guy only managed to pay Lobola because of the money that they got from the reality show Kumoja Love. So she is saying ukuthi yena basically she loboled herself because uMonde Shanye got the gig at Moja Love because of her. So if she didn't get the gig, ngabe yena she didn't get lobolad. She also said ukuthi this guy was unemployed. She was giving him her cards, to swipe just so that azovala ihlazo. Anyway, I don't get the point of exposing him now, but Sana, she said a lot of things that she is that Monde Shanye is dating gays that are in the industry, but she didn't mention names. But nje uthi nje the gay is very famous, Sana, they are eating each other up. Hey, kuningi, kuningi. And also she said ukuthi Monde Shanye said to her ukuthi why amzalela abantwana abaxhwalile. Basically, why are you giving birth to disabled babies? She was blamed for that the children are disabled and all of that. So hey, Sana, a lot went on this video, a lot went on, but nje, I just wish that she should have just kept quiet. This thing is just long overdue. Like, we don't want to hear it at this point. They have both moved on with their lives. So hey, anyway guys, please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. What do you think about Gogo Skhotheni exposing the husband now, the ex-husband now? Because do you guys think she has not healed, or maybe it's her way of healing, or maybe she should have just kept quiet? But I don't know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on my next one.